I can't believe we came this early. My hands are literally freezing. Freezing? Zara, this is just the beginning of winter. Stay strong. Strong? I'm trying, but my English is shaking more than my hands.
Oh, please. Your English is fine. You speak better than me.
Yesterday, I said, "He don't know." And Sir looked at me like I broke the rules of the universe. You did break the rules of the universe. Sir Harris loves grammar more than his own tea.
Anyway, look, winter is the best time to learn. Cold weather makes your mind sharp.
Who told you that? My grandmother. She used to say,
When the air gets cold, the brain wakes up. No idea if it's scientifically true, but sounds motivating, right?
"Not really. My brain sleeps in winter." And snores loudly. Guys, stop joking. We need to do something serious. Our speaking test is next week, remember? Yeah, and I'm scared. Whenever I speak English, I think people are judging me.
Who cares? Let them judge. Confidence comes before perfection.
Exactly. I say everything confidently, Keenan, even my mistakes.
Yes, we noticed. Excuse me? Relax, but seriously, we need a plan. How about we practice speaking every day?
Good idea. Let's do a winter routine. 10 minutes daily. No excuses.
Agreed. But what should we talk about?
English, obviously. Or food. I vote for food. Actually, I vote for food in English.
Okay, let's start right now. First practice question. What motivates you to learn English?
I'll go first. Learning English makes me feel, powerful. Like I can connect to the whole world. Nice. My turn.
I learned English because without it, every job interview feels like a horror movie.
I learn English so I can teach my little sister. She copies everything I do. Yesterday she said, "Please buy me ice cream now." She doesn't even have a brother. Same. And I want to understand English movies without subtitles.
I want to speak fluent English so confidently that people think, "Wow, is he from London?" But I'll still be from Lahore.
Okay, enough talking. It's too cold. But see,
We just practiced English for 5 minutes without even planning. True, and we didn't even fight.
yet.
You four are early today. Are you practicing outside in this cold?
Yes, sir. We're trying to improve our speaking.
In this weather? That's impressive.
Sir,
We made a routine. 10 minutes of English speaking every day till the winter ends.
Very good. Remember, winter doesn't freeze your progress. It can't. It tests your determination.
Sir, can determination come in the form of hot tea?
Only if you bring your own cup.
Sir, do you think we will improve before the speaking test?
Yes, absolutely. You are already doing much better. Of course, consistency beats talent. Even 5 minutes a day can change everything.
See? I told you guys. Okay, we trust you now. Sir, one request. Please don't give me difficult vocabulary in the test. I still can't pronounce.
Entrepreneur.
Then practice it.
Say it. Entrepreneur?
Sir, give him an easier word. Like cup.
All right, class is about to start.
Come inside. Let this winter be your season of improvement.
Team, let's keep this energy up all day.
We will, sir. We're ready to tackle those literature assignments.
Let's go.